Ever wonder how petrol pumps work? How does the fuel travel from the storage tank to your car's tank? Well, buckle up, because today we're going to journey through the fascinating mechanics of petrol pumps. Firstly, let's get a grasp of the main components. The petrol pump consists of the dispenser, which you see above ground, and the submersible turbine pump, which stays underground. The dispenser is the interface where you select the fuel type and quantity, while the submersible turbine pump plays a critical role in fetching the fuel from the underground storage tank. Now let's dive into the process. When you select a fuel type and quantity, the dispenser sends a signal to the submersible turbine pump. This pump is submerged in the fuel and is electrically driven. Upon receiving the signal, the pump springs into action, drawing fuel from the storage tank. The fuel then travels up through a pipe, also known as the riser pipe, towards the dispenser. This is made possible by the principle of fluid mechanics. The pump creates a low-pressure area, allowing the higher pressure in the storage tank to push the fuel upwards. Once the fuel reaches the dispenser, it is directed towards the hose and nozzle. The nozzle is designed to be inserted into your car's fuel tank. It has a small hole that allows air to escape while fuel fills the tank. This ensures a smooth and safe fuel delivery process. But what about the quantity? How does the pump know when to stop? Well, that's where the flow control mechanism comes into play. It uses a metering system to measure the quantity of fuel being dispensed. When the predetermined quantity is reached, an automatic shutoff valve is triggered, stopping the flow of fuel. So, to summarize, the petrol pump works in a series of simple yet ingenious steps. It begins with the selection of fuel type and quantity, followed by the activation of the submersible turbine pump. The pump then draws fuel from the underground storage tank, pushing it up through the riser pipe to the dispenser, and finally into your car's fuel tank through the hose and nozzle. The flow control mechanism ensures the correct quantity of fuel is dispensed, automatically shutting off once the set amount is reached. This ingenious device, which we often take for granted, is a marvel of engineering, blending principles of fluid mechanics, electrical engineering, and control systems. Next time you're at a petrol station, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that fills up your car's tank. It's not just a simple task of pumping gas, it's a symphony of engineering principles working in harmony.